Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you. It's the best Nest Smart Thermostat Sale, and we're diving deep into one of the most efficient, stylish, and smart home upgrades you can grab right now. The Google Nest Thermostat in Snow, Renewed Edition. This isn't just a pretty gadget on your wall. The Nest Thermostat is an ENERGY STAR certified, programmable Wi-Fi thermostat designed to save you money while keeping your home perfectly comfortable all year round. It's compact at just over 3 inches wide and barely more than an inch deep, blending seamlessly into any modern home aesthetic. Installation is a breeze. For most systems, it works without AC wire, so you can get it set up in under 30 minutes using simple step-by-step guides. And once it's in, you're in control. Whether you're using the Google Home app or the Nest app, depending on your thermostat version, you can easily create an energy-saving schedule tailored to your lifestyle. And the best part? You can change the temperature from anywhere in the world using your smartphone. Prefer using your voice? No problem. The Nest Thermostat works effortlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa. So whether you're lounging on the couch or heading out the door, just say the word and your home responds. This is smart comfort at its finest. But this device doesn't just respond, it thinks ahead. It knows when you've left the house and automatically turns down the heat or AC so you're not wasting energy. It learns your patterns and helps reduce your utility bill over time. With Nest Renew, you can even prioritize cleaner or cheaper energy times, right from the app. Compared to old-school thermostats, this is a game-changer. You're not just getting a thermostat, you're getting a smart hub that pays for itself over time. It's especially great if you're in a home with a wide range of HVAC setups. Just remember to check compatibility first, especially for systems like heat pumps or zoned HVAC. Those might need AC wire or additional power accessories. Even when your Wi-Fi is down, the Nest still works. You can adjust it manually using the touch interface, which is intuitive and fast. So you're never locked out of comfort, even when the internet isn't cooperating. So if you've been looking for an affordable way to modernize your home and save on energy bills, the Google Nest Thermostat, especially at this amazing renewed price, is absolutely worth considering. It's elegant, efficient, and smart in every sense. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home tech reviews. And if you want to grab this deal before it's gone, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.